Ever thought that your morning cup of Java could be more potent than Botox? Yes, you heard that right. It seems like there's more to coffee than just waking us up in the morning. It's a bold claim, I know, but stick with me. What if I told you that the same coffee beans you grind for your daily brew could hold the secret to a more youthful appearance? Now, I'm not talking about a magical potion or a secret elixir here. I'm talking about your everyday run-of-the-mill coffee. Surprisingly, this common household item could potentially rival the power of Botox when it comes to skin benefits. It's said to remove wrinkles, tighten skin, and give you that youthful glow we all aspire to have. But how, you ask? Well, the details will be revealed soon enough, so hold on to your mugs, folks. This is about to get interesting. Ready to dive into the science behind coffee's wrinkle-fighting power? Let's start with one of coffee's most potent ingredients: antioxidants. These little heroes are like the body's personal army, fighting off invaders known as free radicals. You see, free radicals are unstable molecules that cause damage to our cells, and this includes our skin cells. They're a primary culprit in skin aging, contributing to wrinkles, fine lines, and even skin discoloration. But here's where coffee steps in. Coffee is packed with antioxidants, particularly a type known as polyphenols. These polyphenols wage war against free radicals, neutralizing them and preventing them from causing harm to our skin. Now let's move on to another major component of coffee: caffeine. Just as it perks up your morning, caffeine can also give your skin a much-needed boost. How? Well, caffeine has a unique ability to dehydrate fat cells. This means that it can effectively tighten the skin, reducing the appearance of cellulite and giving you a smoother, firmer look. It's like a quick pick-me-up for your skin without any of the jitters. But the magic of coffee doesn't stop there. In addition to its antioxidant and caffeine content, coffee grounds can act as a natural exfoliant for your skin. When applied topically, the coarse nature of coffee grounds can help to slough off dead skin cells, unclog pores, and reveal fresh, smooth skin underneath. It's like a mini facial, all from the comfort of your own kitchen. So to sum it up, coffee's high antioxidant content fights off free radicals that cause skin aging. Its caffeine content can tighten skin by dehydrating fat cells. And the grounds? They can exfoliate your skin, removing dead cells and revealing the fresh, smooth skin underneath. So coffee doesn't just wake you up in the morning, it wakes your skin up too. So we've seen how coffee fights wrinkles and tightens skin, but how effective is it really? Well, let's recap. Coffee, with its rich antioxidants and caffeine content, has proven to be a formidable ally in our skincare regimen. It combats premature aging, reduces inflammation, and even tightens the skin. What's more, it's an entirely natural solution, devoid of the harsh chemicals often found in commercial skincare products. Now let's talk accessibility. Your local supermarket is teeming with coffee. It's affordable and within easy reach, unlike some high-end skin treatments that might break the bank. But here's the clincher. While coffee might not replace professional treatments entirely, it certainly holds its own. It can complement those treatments, enhancing their effects and offering visible benefits. The next time you brew a pot, remember, that cup of coffee does more than kickstart your day. It could be the secret to your youthful glow,